Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog shampoo that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetAg Fresh and Clean Scented Dog Shampoo. PetAg Scented Dog Shampoo is a product created with a dog's needs in mind. It is mild and contains conditioners and soothing aloe leaf juice. This is perfect because it helps to protect your pet against tangled or matted fur. This shampoo contains ingredients that are all plant-based. PetAg Scented Dog Shampoo helps to clean and moisturize your dog. Thanks to vitamin E, the fresh floral fragrance gives your dog coat an amazing scent that lasts for 2 weeks. This helps keep your pet odor-free. The shampoo works best with warm water. Anything that keeps your dog's hair mat-free and tangle-free is a win in our books. We love the fragrance and that it keeps your dog smelling fresh for up to 2 weeks. We also like plant-based ingredients like soothing aloe leaf juice, so you don't have to worry about allergic reactions. Keep your dog clean and shiny with PetAg Dog Shampoo. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Isle of Dogs Deep Cleaning Pet Shampoo. The Isle of Dogs Deep Cleaning Shampoo has one of the most unique scents on the market. It is a mellow yet assertive blend of red berry and champagne notes. This is a fantastic way to have your dog smelling like $1,000,000 while staying within budget. The best part is that the fragrances are pet-friendly, so you do not have to deal with skin irritation due to sensitive skin or a case of dog sniffles because of strong chemicals. If you want your dog's hair to be bouncy, shiny, and generally healthy, this is one shampoo you should look into. This is because of the volumizing conditioner formula. It is particularly awesome for dogs that have naturally porous fur. The formula allows moisturization and gives the hair a full body look, making it look and feel healthier. This means that your dog not only smells nice but they look really good just from one wash. This is the ideal pick if you are shopping for dog shampoo for Odor on a very tight budget. Despite its pocket-friendly price point, you do not miss out on awesome perks as the formula offers a combination of deodorizing effects and coat conditioning for a healthy-looking and healthy-smelling pooch. At number 3, we have the Oliver's Choice Pet Shampoo. Some dogs have very sensitive skin. It could be anything from consequences of a flea infestation to low moisture resulting in flaking and dandruff. Whatever the case, the Oliver's Choice Pet Shampoo is an excellent alternative if you want a dog shampoo for odors that will also help you keep your pooch's sensitive skin taken care of. The formula includes ingredients known for soothing sensitive, dry, itchy skin and promoting repair in case of damage. These include oatmeal, aloe vera and shea butter. The latter has the additional effect of giving your dog a mild but very tasteful scent. Your dog will basically smell like a tasty pastry just waiting to be loved. The natural formula that this shampoo from Oliver's Choice definitely stands out, especially if you are dealing with problematic skin in addition to the odor. The last thing you want is to irritate your dog's skin further in the pursuit of freshness, so this is a really good pick. At number 2, we have the Mica Pets Dog Shampoo. For sensitive skin, this is yet another all-natural option for anti-odor dog shampoo from Mica Pets. What is unique about the formula is the use of colloidal oatmeal. This is more effective than the extracts when it comes to promoting healing and reducing inflammation. Therefore, it is a wonderful choice if the odor is related to irritated and itchy skin, including dandruff. Furthermore, your dog gets to enjoy the multiple benefits of aloe vera, including antibacterial action. This helps keep the bacteria that take advantage of the damaged skin at bay. The effect in a way contributes to the odor reduction, as a lot of the stink from your dog can be traced back to bacteria setting up camp in their coats. With this alternative, it is the use of high-quality, natural ingredients that won us over and will give you and your dog great value. So consider this a worthy alternative if you want something mild on your dog but relentless on the odor. And finally, at number 1, we have the Critter Concepts Natural Dog Shampoo. A lot of times, dog odor is associated with some sort of skin irritation. Common culprits, in this case, include fleas, dandruff, and general dryness. These all cause itching, which in turn introduces odor-forming germs to the skin. The Critter Concepts Natural Dog Shampoo helps with odor control by offering relief to the itchiness. This is due to the use of ingredients, such as tea tree oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, vitamins E and B5. They help to keep the skin soft and hydrated, which means no more itching and no more germs and debris stinking up your pooch. The shea butter also adds a nice natural scent for a much-needed boost for your dog. This shampoo from Critter Concepts is awesome when it comes to ensuring that your dog has smooth and shiny skin, as well as healthy, bouncy hair. Moreover, the natural scents in the tea tree oil and sunflower oil help keep away fleas so your dog can enjoy the results for much longer. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.